All right, now what are we looking at? So that is a bunch of junk down in an oil galley, right? That is why you pull all the freeze plug core plugs, all the oil galley plugs out, and run long brushes all the way through there, because that we tried to blow all that out and everything, and that muck. So you can see the crud sitting down in there. That's an oil galley that goes right to bearings and stuff. So, all right, that is, I don't know what number tip we're on now, but yeah, we had to pull them all out. 1, 2, 3. I don't know, this thing is like 15, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I don't know. 11, 12, 13, 14. And more than that. So, all right, that is the next tip. You know, where's dirty oil hide? Dirty crud. And this engine only has half an hour on it. Not even half an hour, really. I mean, the worst, where's some of the worst stuff? Take a look at this stuff. These were brand new bearings out of that engine. Like that. That was out of a $60,000, $70,000 brand new engine with just dyno time on it. Horrible. Horrible. That one had some junk in it too. Cam bearings were kind of hammered. Brand new cam bearings. Either they started it with low oil pressure or something. I mean, you can see down there, see the flat spots in there. There you go. That's all brand new engine stuff. So, yeah. Things to look out for. All right, like, subscribe, stay tuned. We'll get to part, whatever, 8, 9, 10 of this thing.